What is two-factor authentication? 2FA. Simple guide to protecting your accounts. What is two-factor authentication and why do service providers, digital services, and other companies want you to turn it on? In some ways, two-factor authentication might be the simplest way to protect your accounts. Quick overview of two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication, also called 2FA, adds a second step when you log in. Instead of just a password, you need one more piece of proof. 2FA requires two different forms of verification to confirm your identity. Why passwords aren't enough anymore. Passwords alone aren't very secure anymore. They're vulnerable to phishing scams and data breaches, especially if you reused passwords. If someone gets your password, they can log in as you. Passwords can be stolen or guessed, making single-layer security risky. How two-factor authentication works. Here's what happens when you log in with 2FA. You enter your password. You're asked for a second step, such as a code sent to your phone, an authenticator app, a fingerprint or face scan. You need both steps to get in, not just one. Many systems use one-time codes that expire quickly, adding extra security. Examples of using two-factor authentication. The following are ways that people use two-factor authentication. Example, logging into email. You enter your password, then type in a code sent to your phone. Example, signing into a new device. You approve a login request from an app. Example, banking or sensitive accounts. You confirm your identity with a code or fingerprint. Even if someone knows your password, they still can't get in without that second step. 2FA works because it adds another layer of security. Hackers would need both your password and your device, or your fingerprint. The extra layer makes it much harder for attackers to access your accounts. Types of two-factor authentication. Not all 2FA methods are the same. There are text message codes, SMS, authenticator apps, push notifications, biometric methods. Authenticator apps are generally more secure than text messages. Best practices for two-factor authentication. To use 2FA effectively, enable it on important accounts. Use an authenticator app when possible. Keep backup codes. These best practices ensure you stay protected even if you lose access to your device. Quick recap. Two-factor authentication adds a second login step, protects your accounts, makes hacking much harder. Common mistake. One common mistake is only enabling 2FA on one account. Your email, banking, and social media should all have it turned on. You can also check out the full step-by-step guide linked below for more detailed fixes. And if this helped, consider liking the video and subscribing for more simple tech help. SimpleTech help. Tech made simple.